back with another video on the MK3. Basically what I'm doing today is replacing both front window regulators as they're currently electric with the comfort module on. I'm swapping them out for manual ones because I already had to buy 2 regulators to replace the ones that came with the car when I brought it, and now they've gone wrong. I can't bother to keep buying electric window regulators when a brand new comfort one is around 120 to 150 pounds. So I'm just going to go with 2 manual ones, get some different door cards so I don't have to destroy the ones that are on the car at the moment, and then go from there. So I'll show you what I've done so far. As you can see here, here's the old comfort function regulator with the big old block on the side. This is, as soon as I pulled it off, it just fell to pieces. So, well, as you can see there, that is past it. Got 2 new ones from Heritage. Just got the left-hand side one to do now. I'll show you the driver's side one. Let's see. A lot smoother. Just got to fix this somewhere, and then again sort this out as well, because obviously this is no longer needed. Likewise with this. I have a feeling I'm just going to cable tie this up to there like that, and then with this I might get a bit of sound deadening or something put behind there, and then either cable tie it there or cable tie it in there. But I don't really want to cable tie it in on the inside because obviously the window comes down there. So I think I'm going to go for there with some sound deadening, so if it does rattle, it doesn't go and make that stupid annoying sound. So onto the other side. Door card's still on. I'm just about to take that off now. Obviously wants to get that off. And then once I get that off, new regulator on, sorry, interrupted by a pigeon. New regulator in, and again, delete these. As you can see, it is a beautiful day today. So I'll be getting everything done on the car, hopefully. Done the cam belt as well the other day, the week. I didn't record that because it's my first time doing a cam belt on a Mark3. Or petrol engine in general. I didn't really want the pressure of filming myself and it going wrong, so I just done that by myself without recording it. To have the lower glove box installed as well, which is a handy addition, as well as the upper. I've got a decap pipe here as well that I'll be fitting at some point. Again, the decap pipe needs adjusting, as it's, I think it was too short. I don't remember. It's the right fit for my car, but I think the pipe itself needs extending. So to remove the door card, you have this trim that goes on your handle like that. Electric window bit there, handle there. Basically, all you need to do is pull this off. That will come off, and you have 2 Phillips heads, just like this. So you have one in there, and then one in there. You take them out, and that should come off. Obviously, remove your window switch if you've got one. If not, you'll remove your manual window winder. Why is my hand so white? Thank you. And then you should be able to be good to go. Obviously, when you take door card off, you need to disconnect the handle from the inside as well. Door card off, as you can see. One thing you do need to do is disconnect the speaker wire there, which goes into the back of speakers there. Obviously, you're going to have all this foam on the outside, so I've taken this door card off before to replace the regulator, so it will should just all peel back nice and easily, like so. Be careful with your cables, unlike me, getting them caught up. And then you'll have access to your window regulator. There's stuff on there, and then another one just down there. I have to pull this out to get to it. As you can see, got a bit of glass at the bottom. This was from last summer, summer before. Oh, another bit just there. Keep popping out everywhere. So last summer, no, not last summer, the summer before, this whole window shattered. So I put a picture of that up now. So basically, I was at work, left my car outside. It's the hottest day of the year. It must have been about, I think like 35, 36 degrees. I was on the way home from work and I got a text from someone saying, your window's smashed in your car. And I was like, looking around me in my car driving, and I was like, no, it's not. It's clearly not. I'm driving my car. And I was like, oh my God, my Mark 3. Rushed home, had a look at my Mark 3. Passenger side window was smashed. I was like, who would have done this? Who would smash my window on my car? Turns out it was the sun. It was the heat. The heat got so hot in my car, it shattered my window. There was no like impact mark or anything. It was like the whole thing was shattered. You see from the picture in the video I'll put up now. It was like all shattered and cracked. All glass from the bottom piece was missing. I had to put brown tape all over it to then smash the whole thing out. And obviously now I'm getting finding more glass in my car. So I'm gonna have to clean and hoover that out when I get the chance to. So I currently have a portable hoover in my garage. So window all taped up and held up. So when you removing your window regulator, you don't need to fully take these bolts out. All you need to do is loosen it, and it pops out this hole here. So it sits in this hole here. As you put it in or take out, it pops through this hole with the bolt in, as you can see there. All we need to do is crack off all these bolts there, and they'll fit through here. Loosen these off, and obviously you get your window out of the regulator. Old regulator out. As you can see there, more bloody glass. There's both old regulators out. As you can see, the colour difference in both. I've already changed one. And then this one goes and breaks on me as well, so. Right, new regulator in, tightened up. As you can see, with the manual one, there is the ignition. There is where the existing bolt went for the electric window regulator. And the manual one has a new separate hole at the bottom. These were here before they're pre-made, so you don't have to drill holes in the door to fit it. Loosen off that one, time to get the window down. All tightened up now, back together, windows in. One thing to mention, once you tighten up these that clamp the window, don't tighten them too tight because you will have crack and smash the window, which you don't want. Then you end up with stuff like this all the time. That's the window done. Both window regulators done now. Obviously just need door cards to sort it out, because I'm not going to ruin my door cards. Not going to put holes in these door cards, because if I eventually want to put them back on, then I would like a clean door card instead of ones that have got holes in. So I'll just pick up some more and put them on and sort that out. I did notice when I was taking it off that all this is come apart. The wire and loom tape there has come off, so I'm going to quickly replace that to tidy it up and make sure I don't have any loose wires anywhere. Much better. Completely forgot to end the video there. when I was working on my car, I was watching the videos back and I realised I didn't end the video. So I'm going to end the video here. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. Nah, you thought I was going to do it then, didn't you? You thought I was going to go in?